Hello, my name is James. Hello, my name is James. I am from Turkey. I am from Turkey. I have a big dream. I have a big dream. I want to learn English. I want to learn English. I am at the airport now. I am at the airport now. It is very big. It is very big. I look at the screen. I look at the screen. I am excited but nervous. I am excited but nervous. The plane lands in London. The plane lands in London. The airport is very busy. The airport is very busy. I have a map. I have a map. The city looks very beautiful. The city looks very beautiful. I am at my host family house. I am at my host family house. An old woman opens the door. An old woman opens the door.
Hello, I am Mrs. Green. Hello, I am Mrs. Green.
Hello, nice to meet you. Hello, nice to meet you.
This is your bedroom. This is your bedroom.
It is very comfortable. It is very comfortable. I unpack my suitcase. I unpack my suitcase. I am tired but happy. I am tired but happy. In the morning, I go to the kitchen. In the morning, I go to the kitchen.
Good morning, James. Do you want breakfast? Good morning, James. Do you want breakfast?
Yes, please. What is it? Yes, please. What is it?
Eggs, toast, and tea. Typical English. Eggs, toast, and tea. Typical English.
Today is the first day of my English school. Today is the first day of my English school. The school is in the center. The school is in the center. I find the building. I find the building. It looks exciting. It looks exciting. The classroom is large and bright. The classroom is large and bright. I see many students. I see many students. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Hello, everyone. Welcome. I sit down. The lesson begins. I sit down. The lesson begins. The teacher is nice. His name is Mr. Davis. The teacher is nice. His name is Mr. Davis. I sit next to a girl. Her name is Maria. I sit next to a girl. Her name is Maria.
Hello, James, she says. Hello, Maria, I say. Hello, James, she says. Hello, Maria, I say.
We practice speaking English together. We practice speaking English together. It is time for lunch. I go to the cafe. It is time for lunch. I go to the cafe. I see many food options. I want a sandwich. I see many food options. I want a sandwich. I buy a cheese sandwich and a banana. I buy a cheese sandwich and a banana. The food is delicious. The sun is shining outside. The food is delicious. The sun is shining outside. School is finished for today. I walk to the park. School is finished for today. I walk to the park. The park is green and beautiful. There are flowers. The park is green and beautiful. There are flowers. I sit on a bench and call my mother. I sit on a bench and call my mother. Hello, Mom. I love London, I say. Hello, Mom. I love London, I say. Today is Saturday. I want to visit a museum. Today is Saturday. I want to visit a museum. I need to take the underground. It is the train. I need to take the underground. It is the train. I buy an Oyster Card. The station is noisy. I buy an Oyster Card. The station is noisy. A very fast train arrives. I get on. A very fast train arrives. I get on. The museum is very large and old. The museum is very large and old. Admission is free. I go inside. Admission is free. I go inside. I see sculptures and ancient objects. I see sculptures and ancient objects. This is very interesting. I learn history. This is very interesting. I learn history. Mrs. Green is very kind to me. Mrs. Green is very kind to me. I want to make a cake for her. I want to make a cake for her. I use flour, sugar, and chocolate. I use flour, sugar, and chocolate. She sees the cake and smiles. She sees the cake and smiles. It is cold in London now. I need a warm jacket. It is cold in London now. I need a warm jacket. I go to a clothing shop. I go to a clothing shop. I see jackets in many colors. Red, blue, green. I see jackets in many colors. Red, blue, green. I buy a blue jacket. I like it. I buy a blue jacket. I like it. In the evening, I do my English homework. In the evening, I do my English homework. The lesson today was about verbs. The lesson today was about verbs. I understand many words now. My English is better. I understand many words now. My English is better. I can achieve my dream in London. I can achieve my dream in London. Sunday is a holiday. Sunday is a holiday. I meet Maria and Hans at the park. I meet Maria and Hans at the park. We play football on the grass. We play football on the grass. We are very happy. We are very happy. Today the weather is gray. Today the weather is gray. It is raining in London. It is raining in London. I have a big red umbrella. I have a big red umbrella. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I go to the library. I go to the library. It is a quiet place. It is a quiet place. I look for an English storybook. I look for an English storybook. I find a book about animals. I find a book about animals. I write a postcard to my family. I write a postcard to my family. London is great, I write. London is great, I write. I go to the post office. I go to the post office. I buy a stamp and send it. I buy a stamp and send it. Maria and I go to the cinema. Maria and I go to the cinema. We buy popcorn. We buy popcorn. The movie is funny. The movie is funny. I understand the English words. I understand the English words. Oh no, I am lost. Oh no, I am lost. I see a police officer. I see a police officer. Where's the station? I ask. Where's the station? I ask. He is very helpful. He is very helpful. Today is the last day of school. Today is the last day of school. I feel a bit sad. I feel a bit sad. I say goodbye to my friends. I say goodbye to my friends. We take a photo together. We take a photo together. Mr. Davis gives me a certificate. Mr. Davis gives me a certificate. Well done, James, he says. Well done, James, he says. My English is now very good. My English is now very good. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. I pack my suitcase again. I pack my suitcase again. I say goodbye to Mrs. Green. I say goodbye to Mrs. Green. I go to the airport. I go to the airport. Goodbye, London. Hello, Turkey. Goodbye, London. Hello, Turkey.
Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next videos. Take care.